Welcome to Colors of the Eiffel, the Repainting Challenge, where we take you behind the scenes of the iconic Eiffel Tower's repainting process. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower gets a fresh coat of paint every 7 years? Join us as we meet the brave workers who take on the colossal task of repainting this architectural masterpiece. Let's start the video. Scaling the heights of the Eiffel Tower requires skill, courage, and a head for heights. These dedicated painters embark on a challenging journey, ascending the tower with utmost precision and caution, equipped with safety gear and an unwavering determination. They conquer each level, step by step, as they make their way towards their colorful canvas. With steady hands, these painters meticulously apply each brushstroke, ensuring a flawless finish. Their attention to detail is paramount as they navigate the intricate patterns and curves of the tower. Hours turn into days, and days into weeks, as they dedicate themselves to the task at hand. Their commitment to perfection shines through every stroke. They face unpredictable weather conditions, bravely painting through wind, rain, and even snow. Nature's elements may pose a challenge, but these resilient individuals persist, determined to complete their mission. Their unwavering dedication allows them to overcome adversity, ensuring that the Eiffel Tower remains a symbol of strength and beauty, navigating narrow spaces and maneuvering around intricate ironwork. These painters embrace the challenges with determination. They meticulously cover every nook and cranny, leaving no stone unturned. Their expertise allows them to work harmoniously with the architectural complexities, ensuring that every inch of the tower receives the attention it deserves. Watch as the Eiffel Tower transforms, revealing vibrant hues that breathe new life into this architectural wonder. The transition from one color to another represents a new chapter in the tower's story. Each layer of paint serves as a testament to the tower's resilience, mirroring the evolving spirit of Paris and its people. The dedication and craftsmanship of these workers preserve the timeless beauty of the Eiffel Tower for generations to come. They leave behind a legacy of passion and commitment, ensuring that this iconic structure stands tall as a symbol of Paris. Each painter leaves their mark on the tower, forever etching their name in its history. Their collective efforts keep the Eiffel Tower a beacon of inspiration and wonder. At last, every brushstroke on this grand canvas tells a story of hard work, passion, and the enduring spirit of the Eiffel Tower. It is a testament to human achievement and the power of preserving our cultural treasures. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.